So today, going west to the beach on the back roads, and there are a number of fine homes around here. Some of them abandoned, and new ones constantly coming up. But it seems now more new ones are coming up than are being abandoned. So I expect that will lead to a little bit more populace on the back streets here. Not that we want it, but it is what it is. So it will be another, I'd say maybe 3/4 to a mile to get to the beach. So here, highway over there, I got a good stretch ahead of me down there. I see in the distance a little shade. If I walk quickly, I might be able to abut on it, but it's one step at a time getting there. Good morning. Yeah, I was just approached by two dogs, big dogs. They ran out to their homes, but spoke to them in a soft voice, and they probably smell dog on me anyway, so I'm not an enemy. All right, hopefully I'll get to the beach within another 30 minutes or so, hopefully. All right, so I'm getting closer on the beach now. Here comes these screaming cars on the highway. They do make me a little jittery, but gotta stay the course. The hills, more houses going up on the hillside, and the beach maybe about 10 to 15 minutes away. That much. If I walk fast, I could probably make it in 10. So my first glimpse of the water down there, it's like an inlet, and that's like a kind of wharf. I think they bring cement and steel, for instance, to that wharf. All right, getting closer to the beach. Yep, it's all good, all good. Yeah, so I'm just about at the beach. The journey felt a tad shorter today. Must be familiarity. So it's called Bengal Beach. And of course, I'll have to show the security guard my card if she don't remember me. Yeah, beach is down there. All right, let me see if she's gonna let me in without, I have to go in my wallet. Morning. Come get a beach swim. Come get a swim. Where's that? Eh? Let me show you pass that. Oh, we just have to make sure. I am Michael. What's your name, ma'am? Jada? Thank you. I was trying to remember the guy who was security guard like a year ago. His name remind me of a boxer. He was here for at least 2 years. He kind of look like you, to a matter of fact. No, I don't know him as Rambo. I can't remember. King? Mm-mm. When he called in here, remind me of a boxer. Marlon was tell me about McCallum, but I know McCallum. You know, Marilyn, me did talk to her up on the beach side the other day. So she has try remember. You mean where me live? On the Queens, yeah?
So when you sweat so?
Me walk. And me sweat easy too. And sun hot too. Alright, Jada, thank you. Ooh. Yeah. Today, nobody on the beach. There's a big ship there. As I said, they bring a lot of cargo for a business called Tankwell. And they specialize in steel products. But I think they do other products too. People have been attacked by sharks out by where the ship's docks. In fact, about a year ago, a guy fell off the bridge there, and apparently the sharks were part of his demise. Well, today I'm getting in the water. It's not crystal clear, but it's okay. All right. So obviously the ship has lumber on it. I can see them offloading the lumber, and if you look, you might see a truck coming down to the ship. I just saw it, or one like that, leave loaded with lumber. So apparently they do steel and lumber at least. In the meantime, one guy came out with his little boat, and he's way out there pedaling. Of course, he has his life vest and all that. Last time he and a girl was going out, but I saw the girl on the beach side there. These are foreigners here for vacations, and they tend to have a good serene time. It's quiet. There's talk about some kind of windy system out there that supposedly might bring us some weather by weekend. No sign of it today being Friday. It's not the hottest day, but definitely warm. Yeah, all the time, more and more houses going up on the hillside. I'm sure they have a beautiful view.